I've been wanting my mom to do a video like this with me for so long. I'm gonna do her hair and her makeup and also put her in a fit and then force her to take a picture. She gets a little bit nervous in front of the camera. It's gonna be so fun. She's gonna love it. But first I have to show you guys some jewelry I got in. I got some new pieces in from Ana Luisa, which is today's sponsor, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. I've been wearing Ana Luisa jewelry since like March. Definitely one of my favorite brands for every day. So first of all, these are some of the new pieces I got. This lovely little ring. Here we go. Whoop. This is giving me like artsy, groovy vibes. I feel like that's super in right now, you know? And it's good quality, so it's not gonna like tarnish on you or anything. And then I also got this necklace, which is the coolest chain. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Just a simple chain. I'm gonna put it on. The chain I'm wearing right now actually is one that I've had from Ana Luisa for months now. And I wear it literally nonstop, like every single day. This is a part of my stack. And I get questions about it all the time on here and on TikTok, so Ana Luisa. You could wear these pretty little chains like on their own, you know, of course, or stacked up, or if you have like charms of your own or like maybe a vintage charm or something that was passed down, you could put it on these chains as well. Great quality for that purpose. Love that. And then these little gold earrings as well I've had since March and I've been wearing non-stop. I love them. They give me 80s vibe. You guys know I'm all about that. The cool thing about Ana Luisa is that there's no luxury markups. So these are gonna be standbys you can wear your whole life. You won't have to worry about them turning. You won't have to worry about them breaking. Great quality. Also, let me just show you guys the little bags they come in because they're so bougie. They're like velvety. I keep all of these. I have like 6. I keep them all so I can store all my stuff in there and then like travel as well. Lovely. Ana Luisa's having a Black Friday sale right now actually. I'll link it down below if you want to shop for yourself or for your friends or for a parent. I think that would be lovely. Maybe you and your friend could like do matching, you know what I mean? Like friendship bracelets or like necklaces or rings. Who knows? I love it all. Great quality, great prices. Also, Ana Luisa is carbon neutral, which means that they offset 100% of their carbon emissions. So I would definitely recommend supporting them. They're a great brand with great quality, great prices, and great ethics. Again, I'll leave that link down below, so check it out if this is your type of thing, or if you have a friend in your life that you're shopping for. Get them a little thumb ring. We can match. Thumb buddies, if you will. Thank you, Ana Luisa. Thank you guys. I can't wait to wear these pieces for the rest of my life. I love them so much. Okay. Hi everyone. This is my mother. This is my dog Hugo. He's joining us. What should we start with?
Concealer.
Okay.
Wait, the cold spoons for the under eye circles.
We put some spoons in the fridge so she could like depuff her under eyes.
Oh my god, that's cold. Okay. By the door.
In 2 weeks she's gonna come in here and be like, why are there spoons?
I'll take him downstairs.
God. Eye balm stuff. It feels very lovely. Yeah, you do be looking highlighted. I've been using this here Bye Bye Redness cream stuff instead of even a foundation because sometimes I feel like a foundation makes me look crusty. Probably will match you better than me because it's like too dark for me. The last time my mom made an appearance on my channel was whenever I cut—
oh boy, here we go.
when I cut curtain bangs and everyone was a fan, so I thought we'd bring her back.
Hey! Oh boy, here we go. Gotta go outside.
Usually though, it's when I'm in a fit and I'm in here in heels and I'm like, what the fuck?
Am I this short?
She doesn't sit up straight. She's like,
I want to get comfortable. That's parent abuse.
Parent abuse. Yeah.
There is such a thing.
Child abuse, yeah.
What is that?
Blush.
Why are you putting that on before a base?
I put your base on.
You put base on and I still see that adult acne on my chin.
I'll cover that up in a second.
Alright, good.
Can you scoot to the right a little bit so you're in the frame?
Mm-hmm. You like me to sit on your lap?
Maybe.
Getting close. I'm like a ventriloquist dummy.
Link. Did I hurt you? Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
A little bit of flesh.
Full coverage concealer for your pimpies, but
Great.
also it's supposed to not like give you more pimpies.
I'd like it to be known that I don't normally have this, but from wearing a mask all day, I do have this. So safety first.
It's true, she works in retail. Why do I want to put, look at the thing. Oh no, you look good. I was gonna say, why do I want to put more?
Yeah.
I was like, I want to put more blush on there, but.
Didn't we try to do this like 80s thing one time where I tried to put makeup on you? And
I never posted it.
I was gonna say, didn't you like say it wasn't right? And I was like, how do you know if it's right?
I don't, but I didn't like it.
Actually,
I still have that footage though. So y'all let me know if you want me to post that of my mom turning me into her, but the ugly version.
Oh, thanks.
She said this is the ugly version of
I
me.
said that's how to do it, and you said no, that's not how we're doing it.
Not anymore, we're not.
I look really pale.
No, that's as low as it goes. The other option is...
Okay, that's good. Go good.
Please don't wrinkle your forehead.
You got wrinkles and somebody says don't wrinkle.
Yeah, you don't though. And she said, I'm gonna put my bronzer on like, so it's little lines. One thing about me is we're gonna put too much bronzer on, so I'm gonna keep just going. Hugo, please, with the panting. Everyone is gonna be like, this video made me feel nauseous. Let him get on the bed, I think he wants up.
Get up there. Go. Yeah, he does.
No, you can just look in the ring light, or I mean in the camera.
They're gonna love that if I just stare at them the entire time.
While we do your eyes, we're gonna let the lip plumper set in.
Oh.
You actually have way more lip than me.
That's what I'm thinking.
But imagine if you had more.
It's kind of Tastes pretty good. Kind of sweet.
That's funny.
I don't like how it tastes. I don't feel anything yet.
I've been using a nice liquid eyeshadow moment because I just like it, and it's from Giorgio Armani. They sent it to me. I did not buy it, but I'll accept it, so don't be shy. Ugh, I'll let everyone know that I also have a phobia of eyeballs.
Thank you for that.
So something about rubbing this in makes me want to throw up.
Okay, I don't feel it on my lips, but I feel like around my lips I feel it on the outer area.
Interesting,
around the outside. Like it's burning, almost like your lips are chapped.
What it does is it just irritates you.
Yeah, that's healthy. Mm-hmm.
My bronzer through your crease, because that's what I do.
I'd like to know how long my lips will burn. Tomorrow I'm gonna still feel it.
No.
Oh my god, how that's stinging.
Oh, I forgot to do an under eye concealer.
Oh, we better do that.
My apologies, Miss Girl.
I'm gonna need that.
Would you like to tap it in?
Oh, can I see? Tone that down. That's white. Oh my god, I got white patches.
She says, Lindy, all I want is some concealer that brightens me up.
It's aggressive.
And then she's like, no. Thoughts?
Not a lot of thoughts. Head empty, she would say. Although I have been told that sometimes I think too much. There's that.
I like blush, so. Yeah. Not with the forehead wrinkles.
What am I gonna do? Cut some bangs, some curtain bangs.
We're gonna do those later.
No! Oh no.
No, we're not gonna do it.
No.
We're not gonna cut them. We're gonna style
I think they're
them.
short enough. They're kind of short. We can make something happen.
Yeah, we're gonna style them. Okay.
Clumpy?
Looks fine.
Okay.
Eyebrow time. I can't wait to do soap brows.
Oh! Do you add color or you just do this?
I've been lately adding color, so we're gonna do that too.
Yeah.
Do you have any thoughts?
Yeah, I got a lot of thoughts. Keeping to myself.
About the eyebrows?
Oh, no, I think it looks good. I'm gonna say we should take a pause for a minute because I think we need to turn some music on.
You can't have copyrighted music in here.
Oh. Ooh, are you gonna do it like actually on my lips or are you gonna do like everybody else around the outside and make them look bigger? That's gonna be crazy.
Especially because you have lips. You have way more lips than me, but.
Okay.
It's how I do my makeup, so. Maybe don't move your lips while I'm trying to do it.
Okay, I'm laughing.
Oh shit. Okay, actually no. Wait, look at me. Okay, we're fine. Stop! I have to even it out.
My lips are gonna get huge.
Hopefully. Oh, we're done with your makeup.
How do I look?
Okay, hair.
I can't wait for that. How are you gonna get my hair to have any kind of volume like yours has? You're gonna have to do some root work.
I'm glad you asked. This is one of my fave dry shampoos from Living Proof, and I got this little kit. $25 for the full size.
And I get to do a middle part, way 80s.
Yeah, we get to do a middle part too.
I read something the other day that said feathered hair was back.
Facts.
Mm-hmm.
I've been saying. And she just looked at her lips and she likes them.
No, I mean...
She said, I'm getting lip liner, holy shit.
I'm getting the plumper and the lip liner because this looks good. I'm like, yeah.
Okay, so
I'm excited about that.
We wet our hair a little bit in the front.
Yes, this is wet.
Velcro roller, and I'm going to do...
Just do the round brush or something.
Yes. On your bang.
My bangs.
Okay, let me separate.
Not the bangs.
Because that's like pretty much all that I do. I like blow out all my hair, but your hair like, this all kind of looks like how mine looks, like naturally blown out, kind of a little bit of shape. But then I will focus like, a lot on the bangs, so. Okay, let me get ready. Sorry, hot. Okay, so now I'm gonna take, okay, we hold that, I'm gonna go get a clip so I can.
Of course.
Oh wait, actually, period.
Where did you get those? What are your little rollers?
I got them at, yes, Walgreens.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah, because I went there to buy pads, and there was a man working at the counter, and I got so nervous.
You had to hide them under that?
Yeah, so I went, and I also bought a round brush thing, and I bought these because I was like, and maybe he'll just get off the shift or something, and he just certainly did not. Okay, so let's make sure that that is, while that's in there, let's spray it, why don't we?
Sure, why not?
Volume spray from Kenra. For the rest of your hair, I'm gonna put this dry shampoo. It's okay, but the volume gonna be jumping.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Oh, sorry, fuck. Now this stuff right here, this had me going 9 days between washes. I'm gonna let that sit in there. I have these texture sprays. I can't decide which one I like more.
I don't know, it's a lot of product. I've never had this much product in my hair ever.
Surfer Girl or Sunny Vibes. Texturizing spray gel or dry texturizing spray. Let's do this one.
Surfer Girl, okay.
I know.
Oh, it smells so good.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Boy, I would almost buy that for the smell.
I know.
Well, that's about 3 things at least I need. Lip liner, the plumper, and this incredible smelling product.
Okay, I'm just gonna wrap the mohawk section of her hair backwards with this and pin them into rollers. Hang on. This is, yeah, stupid. I got it at Walgreens. I don't really like it, but sometimes it works. Okay. I'm doing more to my mom's hair currently. And also we were just having a discussion. She's liking her makeup.
Yes, liking it. You get in a habit of doing the same thing every time, and it's nice to have somebody else do it because it gives you some more ideas and more tips. And
yeah.
You look a little more fresh, a little younger.
We've decided I don't ever really use foundation that much.
Right, I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, I sometimes use a little bit of like concealer or like the redness stuff.
Or like the tinted moisturizer.
Yes, because I feel like it makes me look crusty when I use foundation. I feel like it ages me. Okay, we're gonna do the sides of our hair too, because I want to.
I guess the hard part is to try to find somebody who's willing to do your makeup.
True.
Nobody wants to do that. The fact that we kind of look alike,
yeah. So
what you do kind of works for me.
That's true, like your face shape.
So it's not necessarily that you could do like your friend's makeup if they have totally different coloring and totally different features.
I was gonna use that piece.
Oh, sorry. I didn't wet any of that.
That's okay. I never do.
Oh, we were talking about the eyeshadow too. Like, I have discovered that I really like the cream eyeshadow more than the powder. I already spent 3 times the amount of time getting ready than I normally spend getting ready.
Well, I didn't record taking the rollers out, but they're out and we didn't move, so. Let's go ahead and give it a little tussle, if you will. Okay, look.
At the camera?
Yeah.
Does it need a little spray at this point on the floops?
Probably. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that while we get you outfitted. Here are the like main fit choices.
Yeah.
This combo.
Yeah, so I'm like looking at this thinking I'm supposed to put this on with this shirt.
Yes, I had another shirt with it, but that shirt's not clean currently.
Or I'm gonna put this on.
Yes, and this one you're wearing with pink boots, or
with
this one
skirt.
You'll be wearing with
Well,
knee-high.
I prefer this. It's a little more neutral.
Okay.
This is a little.
This one would be with Doc Martens knee-high pantyhose.
No.
This one's with knee-high pink boots.
I
And
think this is
maybe
I
a
think
leather
they're both
blazer.
cute, but this
Yeah.
might be more my
Okay, well you can do this one and I'll take a picture in it too afterwards. So
Okay.
we'll just okay. Oh my god.
Where's the concert?
Bitch, I'm a mother. My room is a mess, just please don't even look at it.
So do you like my bag?
I think she ate that shit up. I think she's eating me up.
Oh, I said Halloween came a little late at our house this
Yeah,
year.
she does look kind of look like a costume.
And if anyone's ever seen Pretty Woman, that's how I feel right now. A little bit like Julia Roberts. Yeah.
Okay, well I'm gonna go take pictures of her now. Bye. Okay guys, what do we think? So here's me, here are my pictures, get ready, boom, my mom. Literally, why are we the exact same person? I'm genuinely scared.